What's happening? Dustin here with Life in a Mustang, and today, instead of what's in my camera bag, it's going to be what's in my shop. So I'm going to take you around for a shop tour. My shop is exactly how it is while I'm working. I haven't cleaned it up, none. This is exactly how the shop is. Shop can be anything. Shop can be where you work, where you store your stuff. Like I have two buildings. We store stuff for fixing stuff around the house. Building stuff, you know, pallets of wood, pallets of 2x4 pallets, and then I have two buildings, and you know, two of them are storage. It's nice to have a nice shop and all cleaned up and a beautiful, immaculate thing, but this is real world, what's in a typical guy's shop. So, stay tuned. 1, 2, 3 bays. So this Valvoline right there. I was clearing land and found that in like 28 acres of brush that I was raked up. There is a slider that I keep in here on a Manfrotto tripod, and then here's one of my first tripods I ever got. Still works, I like it. Sheets of metal. It's like 15 by 15 by 15. And then there's a loft up here I keep storage in. Pegboard. I got something coming with this wall soon. I am gonna bring this toolless cool back and do something with this wall, that couch, weed eaters and fishing poles, crossbows, some electrical stuff right there. My radio. This is my barn radio setup. I have surround sound hooked up. You can go to like surround sound or whatever the mode and concert. Right there's the dimmer and the lights. Flip the lights on. Turn the dimmer up. Email me for my $700 savings. It lights up all of your stereo equipment underneath. And yeah, that's a cool thing. Chop saw. Right here I keep a Dremel because I'm building a rear mount turbo. It's just some bits right there. T-bits at T55. Actually, that one right there only came up to T45. I had to buy a T55. Chop saw, this like makeshift drill press thing. I saw it at Goodwill. I thought it was pretty cool, so I bought it. It's got a handle right here. You just turn this handle, and it's just like a drill press for small things. Right here is a tubing notcher. Like if you've seen any of my videos, I'm using these two things to do a rear mount turbo. I've been cutting the pipe with the Sawzall. I do a lot of work on this vise. This vise, I could say, is one of the most valuable things I have in the shop. I got a light hung on this ginormous set of moose antlers. This light goes up to some studio lights. I use that extension cord for other things. There's electric here. Here, if you want to see, the electric will start. So there's electric there. Electric there, there's electric there, and then you keep coming down. You can see the conduit coming down right here. The electric's there. All that is on one breaker, and then you jump over to here. This is on a different breaker. The electric goes through. Some of my signs right here. This Yingling one, I'll fire that one up later. And outlet. Right here's my toolboxes. That's what I got. Got some stuff in those too. Cabinets. Come over, cabinet tour. String line. Knee pads, gloves. Knee pads, gloves. You can't have enough of this stuff right here. Caulk. That's what's in that one. Voltmeter, light bulbs. And then up here is like painting and oil, transmission fluid, sandpaper. Some funnels. Light, heating lights. Those were for chickens. We had chickens, so we have the heating lights. Right here is some speakers and some more speakers and more knee pads. Suggestion box, got it from Emery Riddle. Delta bandsaw with a metal blade. Right here I built this door panel when I went to Installer Institute. It's got my initial D with a flame I made. That's just inlaid vinyl. Cut out in this shape and then wrapped over and spread out tightly. Tires, stickers, good old American flag, and then some ironic signs over here. Right here, if we take a look, this is my Mustang. I don't have a wide angle lens. This is at 15 millimeters. So, welder on a little cart thing, the Mustang, lighting, signs, gas tank, bar. I built that bar when I was in like high school. Pretty cool old fan right here, some old style bar stools, and this bar that I built right here. Here's another drill press I'm fixing right now. So there's a Gravely, if anybody knows what a Gravely is. Some ironic signage there and there, no photographing. Like I said, right here, the only bad thing is for a full lift, this is 10'4", to that being, it's in the middle, it is a sloped roof, and then up here is about 15 feet. So it's like 12, and then it's about 15. Work table, that's a tankless water heater, paint supplies, tile, cloths. Right here is my organization of my shelves and oils, gas cans, more Dremels. Right here, this is Ford Master Cam tool set. This is of screws. This is my battery charging station. One battery charger's there. This is my drill press, and that's pretty much it. That is the extent of my shop. The third bay is just storage right now. We're working on that. I'm gonna try to make a little bit of a studio in here. I ordered some stuff, kind of make a different kind of setting for car talk. And yeah, so this is the rear mount Mustang Turbo. If you want to watch my other videos, all the hot side is done except one pipe. Take it off the tripod. That pipe right there is not manual bent. I'm gonna get a new turbo, new pipe there for the wastegate, and then from there forward with those V-mans to the engine. That stuff's all complete, so I want to see this turbo spin next week. I had to order a starter. The starter's bad, that's why I did not start it. I went to click it and it won't start, just needed a starter. So that's coming in the mail. Start this car and see if the turbo spins. This is my shop. I'm Dustin. This has been Life in a Mustang. I hope y'all have a great day. Peace.